Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I'm going to show you all my very first junk silver pickup. So for those who don't know, I'm pretty sure all of you know, but if there's someone who doesn't, junk silver are coins made before 1965 with silver content in them. So for example, these quarters are made with 90% silver compared to today where coins are made with copper and nickel. The really cool thing about this coin, or these coins, is the fact that the silver content in this quarter is more than the denomination. So even though this is worth 25 cents, there's about $1.60 worth of silver in this quarter in melt value. So yeah, that's the basics. And that's about all I know. I made this video because I need to learn a lot more about junk silver. I kind of got this because I could get it at spot, and I was very happy to do it. And I figure if anyone was going to help me, it'll be someone in the stacking community, someone who knows more about junk silver. So I just want to show you what I have. You can let me know if I need to be looking out for any key dates or if I'm just stacking these just to stack them. So I have this 1900 quarter, pretty slick. And it has this, like someone put tape on the back of it or something. But you can kind of see under the tape where the eagle would be, where the eagle is. But it's not that defined. This looks like a 1936. 1937. This is a 38. We have a 1940, a couple 42s, 43, 48. And then we have a 50, 51, 56, 57, a 53, 57. Oh, looks like I messed that up. Oh, okay, there was some 52s under there. All right, so we got more than a couple 57s. 60, 62s, looks like four of those, 63, and then like a gang of 64s. So that's what I got. I don't have much to say about this because I don't know much about it. But I guess I'll ask a couple questions that you all can help me out with, whether it's in a comment or if you already have a video about this that I need to see, you can put your link or just tell me what to look for, because I don't think YouTube will let you put links in the comments. So just tell me the name of the video to look for in your channel and I'll definitely do that. But whatever information you guys can let me know. If you don't have a channel, you can email me, southsidestacker@gmail. It'll be in the description. Just let me know, because this is my first time getting some junk silver. I was really happy to get it at spot, so I did it. Hopefully I didn't make a terrible decision. But yeah, so let me know what's going on with all these coins, what the big deal is. Yeah, looks cool. I mean, I'm happy with it. For the silver content anyway. They're all pretty dirty. I'm not supposed to clean them, right? I think I know that much. I don't think I'm supposed to clean these things. All right, so thank you all very much. I'm looking forward to your comments, to any advice you want to share. I'm Southside Stacker. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.